Hello everyone, we're in San Pedro today. This was a pre-existing pergola. We just basically came and put all the aluminum profiles one by one and spaced them properly to provide extra shade. As you can see, the existing beams are wood, and the top beams, the wood would not have been a good idea because as the sun beats up on it, it starts cracking and rotting and everything. So this is all aluminum. It's going to be a lifetime product. It came out absolutely beautiful. This project also consists of other things here where we have a pedestrian gate. This one has a glass backing for extra privacy. We also have a main pedestrian gate here with the mailbox, also with the keyless entrance. This is Nancy, the homeowner. What do you think, Nancy? Everything good? We have another satisfied customer. Everything is cleaned up, touched up. We'll see you on the next beautiful project from Mulholland.